Hello YouTube, today I have a video of my Bissell Aeroswift, and we're going to clean the living room with it. All this, we'll walk down through here, this hallway. Oh, we got the little area rug. And so we're just going to unhook the cord. And once again, why I love this thing so much is because it has a washable filter, and that's literally the only filter it has. There's no other filter that comes with it. So since there's no other filter that comes with it, all you have to do is wash it. You don't have to buy any new paper filters or anything like that. I just want to make sure this works. I'll probably use a better outlet. More grounded outlet. And the Bissell SC still has, it's gotten completely cleaned up, but it still has yet to get a power cord, so haven't gotten to test that yet. I will surely try to make a video whenever I can test it. But here we go. We're on the lowest setting because that's all that really works. Not very loud. The van is completely empty. I don't know if it is anymore though. This thing works really well. And since the foam filter is the only filter, it's a smart idea to clean the filter after every use. I'm only cleaning the living room, so you wouldn't have to wash the filter. What you should do with vacuums that you plug in directly to the ground is when you have it running, you should push the power button for about 3 seconds, because when the brush roll's spinning right there, it flicks dirt up into this white tube and just stays right there. So you turn it back on so it can get sucked up into a can. And the turbo hooks back on like that. That's about it, guys. That's the living room cleaning with the Bissell Aeroswift. But what I thought was a little different was the dirt dumping button. Now, where is it? It's right there. That teeny tiny little tab empties the dirt. So you have to walk over here to the garbage.